Mortgage applications jump and Florida remains strong. Hi, everyone, and welcome to Tampa Bayside Brief, your Florida real estate update brought to you courtesy of Todd and Paula Diesel, licensed realtors with REMAX Bayside in Apollo Beach, Florida. I'm Todd Diesel, and today I have the distinct pleasure of updating you on the latest national and Florida real estate markets. First, from the national front. New mortgage applications increased 10.4% from a week earlier, according to the Mortgage Bankers Association. The refinance index increased 11% from the previous week and was 10% higher than the period 1 year ago. You may ask about interest rates. Well, after starting 2 weeks in January in a row of higher rates, mortgage rates declined slightly last week across all loan types as treasuries move lower, and this was all due to incoming inflation data. So bottom line is this helped raise the mortgage applications as well. And today we currently sit with a 30-year fixed mortgage around 6.6% with an FHA loan around 6.13. And the Mortgage Bankers Association is optimistic that home purchasing will pick up in the coming months as the rates continue to ease. In Florida news, the Florida Realtors chief economist, Dr. Brad O'Connor, recently said, people are saying the real estate market's going to crash. But that's not the case. He goes on to explain that the adjustable rate mortgages, which played a huge part in the housing crisis back in 2005 to 2009, are not widespread today. He goes on, we have weathered the storm of the pandemic with no foreclosure crisis. We are not in a position for a crash to happen. Plus, when asked about a recession on the horizon, O'Connor acknowledged that signs point to a slowdown in the economic growth, but this is at a national level and not a full-blown recession likely anytime soon. And even so, he said Florida's strong economy is well positioned. A few factors buffering the Florida real estate market from the national economic trends. Number one, the state's labor market is strong. In other words, paychecks are still coming in. Number two, Florida's population growth remains strong at about 1,000 new people a day. Think about it this way, an increase in population means an increase in economic activity. Number three, the state is still attractive to the untethered remote workers. O'Connor says the workplace will never be what it used to be. And fourth, retirees with home equity looking to relocate are unfazed by high interest rates. Many of these folks are buying the entire home in Florida with cash after selling a home somewhere else. So here's the bottom line. People are still buying and selling homes every day. And with more listings coming on the market, buyers will have more options and home price affordability will improve. This will all take place as we progress through 2024. Well, that's all the time we have for today, but we thank you for joining us. And this is Todd Diesel bidding you an enjoyable day on behalf of Paula and myself.